Ivana. I'm from Slovakia, and now I'm in Austria, Telanze, with Austrian and Italian people. All we are young people, almost students, and I learned a lot in this place with all these amazing international people. We did some team buildings. Also, I learned how to prepare to hike, how to um, pack my backpack, and all the things that I yeah honestly I would like need it in my future hiking, and also when I go with my girls, with my friends to hike. So it was a really amazing experience that I'm glad that I wanted to be there, and I would recommend this experience to everybody because this is so amazing, and I met so many nice people, and I really enjoyed this place and this time there. Thank you.